Hi, welcome to day 10. Um, please read the disclaimers and please read the common mistakes as well. People who are doing making this mistake, and these are the stoppers. And what is the status on day 10? Um, so today, this you guys may know that, and this is the setup we created earlier, and these are the range allowed for this series. Just to make sure we are playing very safe. And what happened on day 10, that is 7th November, we are currently around realized profit which we booked is 12,381, and unrealized loss it's minus 12,396. And these are the things which we need to follow in this series. And here you can see we didn't do that in today's yesterday we followed that, but today it's not in the range, so because of that the risk reward range also it's more. So this is nothing but loss divided by profit, and we are getting this 1.88, but we are allowed to keep it in within 0.5 to 1.5. I will explain you what happened today. And you can see here like 100% discipline, so we need to, as soon as possible, we need to make make it as within the range. So we'll see what happened yesterday, why it is green and why today not. Hmm. So these are the things which we discussed earlier. We started with the few position, and we are adjusting whenever required. And wicks are keep moving up and down, and until day before yesterday I think wicks went up, and it started going down. And here you can see these are the profits which we booked. So that also the history I am maintaining it. So you can see here these two are booked profit, and here these two are positive profit and one loss we booked. So nothing, that is nothing but with the profit we bought this gold ETF, and so that I can uh, pledge that, and I can use do trading as well. Why gold is like, you guys know that equity and gold will be both are opposite. So if anything getting nifty getting crash or something, then gold will help, it won't fall, then it won't be a problem for us, our pledged amount. So that's the reason I chose that. But let's see what will happen. Just for risk management purpose I was doing this. And here one mistake I have done, and I bought first gold ETF because it is a very less expense ratio of 0.3. But later I when I checked with the broker, and this is not in the list which I can pledge, so I changed it back again to gold base from gold ETF. So that's the reason I booked some loss, and again I bought a gold ETF, gold base. And again today also I booked around 1250 rupees from the position which I created yesterday, but it didn't go well as planned. So that is the reason. Like, what is the plan is like uh, I will show you here. So let me give me a second. So what is the plan is like, as per my um, analysis, I am expecting it will keep go at least up to 25 24 700 800. So still I'm expecting it will go up, but today what happened, it uh, it fall like anything. So but still I'm believing like it will go up to 24 700 or 800. That's my thing. So where what happened when it started falling today morning, and I 100 or something, it once it fall 100 and 115 around that point, then after half an hour or something, then usually morning the people will sell, then after that it will start recover. So In that view, I just uh, sold the in that thing I sold I bought the this position which I sold it yesterday. So the in that I got around 1250. Yesterday you can see it was in a minus 3385. So already it went like 4000 more plus 4500 had money it profit day level. So I thought of booking it and again buying it at around 12 o'clock 1 o'clock, so that by the time it will be much more went high, so I can sell it again at a higher premium. So that's a plan, but actually what happened, it fallen and it fell and again it fell, it keep on falling, it keep on falling and it didn't recover at all. So at the end of the day, like around after 2:45, then I bought 2500. 2500 I bought, not bought, I sold it. So just to uh, I sold it because we can't keep changing the position very frequently. This series is not for like that. We will do minimum as possible. Our target is to make some minimum profit, not to lose any money. We should be like defense mode, no, not uh, like aggressive uh, risk taker. So that's the reason I just sold it some little far away, 2500 CE. So because of that only we are getting some bigger maximum loss value. So how that is like because today it is already fallen and here you can see minus 10,000 rupees already it's there. This sell value it's not even covering the which we bought earlier. So that's the reason here also around 5k is in loss, and here the range is very not too high, like here around 23,800 and 2400. So around 300 point difference is there, so we are having more risk in the downside. So that's the reason it's showing a maximum loss will be some minus 19,000. And here the maximum profit if you see, uh, as per the current position, if it is within the range, minus 2008 rupees is the maximum profit. That means minimum loss we can maximum profit we can do. So minus 2000 rupees, and these are all the profits we already booked. So this is how this 10,442 k 42 it came. So what does that mean is like if it is within the expected range, if it is within the expected range in this series, then we will lose only minus 2k, and the overall profit is going to be 10k around. So in 1 month with 1 lakh we got around 10,000 10,000. It means like 10 percentage, it's a good money only. We are not going to do any aggressive thing. Our aim is not to lose the capital. So that's why other videos named it as a why when we will lose the capital. So our focus need to be more into risk management rather than more profitable. So that's the thing. And what I am thinking is like in the upcoming days it will go up little more, and accordingly I need to adjust the position. Let's see. But in 2 weeks, either 24 is going to be break or 25 is going to be break by the end of this series. So we depend accordingly, we need to adjust, keep the position very light. Starting of the series we kept around 300 point difference, but in 1 or 2 weeks it will break any either way. So before that we need to keep the uh, mm, maximum loss minimum. And one more thing, here you can see um, yesterday the P which we have, it's around profit of 8,480 rupees. You can see here this position, and now today, and we didn't book the profit because it might go further. That's my view. And but today the entire profit it went and minus 835. Now it is in that position. Let's see tomorrow what will happen. But as I said, we need to focus more into um, uh, not losing our capital. So that's how this penny mouse series we are having. And today it might be this value is more, but tomorrow and within 1 or 2 days we will bring it within the allowed range. So we need to focus more into, and we need to bring it within the range. So let's see how we are progressing, and how many days or how many weeks or how many months or years we can survey. So I hope you will also learn something from this. So don't put your own money and waste it. So thank you. Tomorrow we will see again.